Hello everyone, I am Shamin Sultana Jisa and my ID number is 141153219. Today I am going to discuss about e-commerce. In my today's discussion, I am going to cover key concepts of e-commerce and types of e-commerce. So let's start. At first, to understand e-commerce, we need to know what is commerce. According to dictionary.com, commerce is a division of trade or production which deals with the exchange of goods and services from producer to final consumer. After knowing what is commerce, it is easy to understand what is e-commerce. E-commerce, commonly known as electronic marketing, which consists of buying and selling goods and services over an electronic systems such as the internet and other computer networks. So we can say e-commerce is the purchasing, selling and exchanging goods and services over computer networks through which transaction or terms of sale are performed electronically. After knowing what is e-commerce, we need to know why we use e-commerce. Basically, we use e-commerce because it provides low entry cost, reduces transaction costs, access to the global market and secure market share. Now let's have a look on the process of e-commerce. From this picture, we can see a consumer uses a web browser to connect to the home page of a merchant's website on the internet. The consumer browses the catalogs of products featured on the site and selects item to purchase. The selected items are placed in the electronic equivalent of shopping cart. When the consumer is ready to complete the purchase of selected items, he or she provides a bill to or ship to address for purchase and delivery. When the credit card number is validated and the order is completed at the commerce server site, the merchant's site displays a receipt confirming the customer's purchase. The commerce server site then forwards the order to a processing network for payment processing and fulfillment. Now we will know the types of e-commerce. There are 6 types of e-commerce. They are business to business, that is B2B, business to consumer, that is B2C, business to government, that is B2Z, consumer to consumer, that is C2C, government to consumer, that is Z2C, and government to business, that is Z2B. Now let's have a look on the details of different type of e-commerce. At first, B2B business. B2B stands for business to business. It consists of large form of e-commerce. B2B e-commerce is simply defined as e-commerce between companies. About 80% of e-commerce is of this type. For example, Intel selling microprocessor to Dell. From this picture, we can see, from this flowchart, we can see wholesaler orders through website and website order processing by business organization, and business organization supplies to the wholesaler and wholesaler sells the product to the customer. Next is B2C. B2C stands for business to consumer. It is the model taking business and consumers interaction. The basic concept of this model is to sell the product online to the customers. It involves customers gathering information, purchasing physical goods, or receiving products over an electronic network. Example, Dell selling me a laptop. Let's see the flowchart. Uh, Consider this business organization is Dell. Dell is a business organization and I am the customer. So I will order through a website to Dell company, and this website and this organization, Dell organization, will processing the order and supply a laptop to me. Next is B2Z. B2Z is business to government e-commerce, or B2Z is generally defined as commerce between companies and the public sector. It refers to the use of internet for public procurement, licensing procedures and other government related operations. For example, business pay tax, file reports or sell goods and services to government agencies. Here is the flowchart of B2Z e-commerce. The next one is C2C e-commerce. C2C e-commerce is the consumer to consumer e-commerce, or C2C is simply commerce between private individuals or consumers. For examples, Mary buying an iPod from Tom on eBay. This is the website and this is the customer one. Consider this is Mary and this is customer 2, that is Tom. So sorry, this is Tom and this is Mary. So Tom want to sell iPod and Mary want to sell the iPod. Through this website they will receive their product and money. The next one is G2C. This model is also a part of e-governance. The objective of this model is to provide good and effective service to each citizen. The government provides the following facilities to the citizens through website: information of all government departments, different welfare schemes, different applications formed to be by the citizens, and this is the flowchart of the Z2C e-commerce. Next one is Z2B. Z2B, government to business. Z2C stands for government to business. Z2B is a business model that refers to government providing services or information to business organization. Governments and government website and business organization. This is the flowchart of Z2B. Now we will know the advantages of e-commerce. The advantages of e-commerce are faster buying or selling procedure, as well as easy to find products, buying or selling in 24/7 hours, more reach to consumers, there is no theoretical geographic limitations, low operational costs and better quality of services, no need of physical company setups, easy to start and manage a business. Customers can easily select products from different providers without moving around physically. And the last one is disadvantage of e-commerce. Unable to examine products personally, not everyone is connected to the internet. There is the possibility of credit card number theft. This is the most important disadvantage of e-commerce. Mechanical failures can cause unpredictable effects on the total process. Thank you everyone for watching this presentation.